TWR Monday Madness. First, how did TWR do today? Swing on DraftKings, 17 put, 21 October, 146 entry. Guidance through the trade, we had to average down on this one, but the trend was still present and we knew that this was going to pan out. Boom, patient pays, guys, and that's a 2x and then some. Took a swing on PayPal after last week, 87 put, entered in at 158. Like a dang fortune teller, take off, exit 350. Did a day trade on SPY, 356 put, 12 October, in at 170. Out, 248, even we're able to trim at 260. To the victor goes the spoils of war. Want more alerts like this? Come join TWR and come trade with me. Let's get into it. What's hot and what's not? Bloody day in the market. It tried, but couldn't hold it, and the bonds and CD yields are still elevated. Energy was the biggest lagger, and consumer staples was barely green. SPY, as usual, biggest dark pool. Calls versus puts, about 50-50. Hard to tell. We'll have to see what happens at the bell. Mostly green, so we're watching. See how we open tomorrow. NASDAQ registers lowest close since July. Basically, this is all based off of higher interest rate and a lot of it stemming from the chip makers and restrictions with China causing a lot of the downward trending and the low sentiment. That's the big thing, is the sentiment is low. Trouble with Riven, they tanked after they nearly recalled all of their vehicles. And P&G got some big challenges. Basically, they're looking to vote against a new CEO and John Moeller, and this could cause some issues with this particular stock and also some of the similar stocks that are in this particular index. So we're definitely paying attention to this for possible short plays tomorrow. And here's your top 20 hot stocks. Let's take a look at some charts. What looks good? Looking at XLK, remember, these are going to be triggers. So the high trigger is for calls and the low triggers are for puts. BA, and remember, we want closes fully above or below our triggers on a 5-minute or a 15-minute chart. Watching SMH, this is semiconductor ETF. You can also play AMD, NVDA, TSM, and some of the other ones as long as they got volume and they're moving. And here's your free trade alert. Guys, we're going to take calls at 118, 21 October off the call trigger. And if the puts trigger, we're going to go ahead and take the 111, 21 October. Try to get the best price possible. And always remember, looking at the 5-minute or 15-minute chart to get perfect entry and exit. And don't forget to join TWR and you can trade with me and get consistent updates on this trade and all the other stuff I'm getting into. Talking about SPY, and guys, I told you months ago, SPY between 360 and 350 by mid-October. Basically, you can think of me as a magician, a fortune teller, I don't know, but we're definitely moving in the right direction as targeted. And banks are in focus, and I like some other ones too. I like Bank of America, preferred one for this particular week, but also I like JPM moving into the end of the week, Wells Fargo and Morgan Stanley as well. And that's the video. Guys, come join TWR and let's go get some together. Right now, all October, get all alerts, all live trading channels, all the algos, and so much more. Sign up today, traderswarroom.com for more information. $15 gets you all access.